everyone, my name is Akshata Nikhare and I am from Chandrapur, Maharashtra. I am a BE electrical graduate and I have around 4 years of experience in BPO and ITES. While working in that industry, I was very keen to know how exactly IT works, so I have decided to start my career in data science. But being from non-IT background, it is very difficult to relaunch your career. So finally, after I decided to relaunch my career in data science, I come to know about OdinSchool, where they are providing a data science bootcamp. So I have joined that bootcamp and I have learned the skills like SQL, Python, Power BI, PySpark, machine learning. Along with the skills, they have also helped me in placement support, where we have learned how to create your resume, LinkedIn profile, interview preparation. Along with that, they have also taken the mock interviews, which has helped me a lot to relaunch my career and crack the interview. Now I can say I am a data analyst in a fintech company in Hyderabad. So I just want to thank you, OdinSchool, for the entire support to successfully restart my career in data science. Thank you so much.